Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD battles 1.3200 amid cautious optimism. Jackson Hole ID http ntvforex.com news ID 1F0357 4 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. GBP USD keeps recovery moves from 1.3193 to keep intraday losses. EU envoys remove Brexit from agenda. UK services firms report heavy job cuts. Tory government readies another help to combat the virus and dampen OECD remarks. Markets await US GDP, Fed Chair Powell's speech for fresh impetus. Despite recovering from 1.3193, GBP USD struggles to keep 1.3200, currently around 1.3209, while heading into the London Open on Thursday. In doing so, the cable tracks the global market saw pause ahead of the key speech from the Jackson Hole Symposium, Wyoming. Other than the trader saw mood, a report from the Confederation of British Industry (CBI) and comments by the Organisation for Economic Co-operation and Development (NBSP) OECD also weigh on the pair. CBI said, during its Thursday's release, companies reliant on spending by consumers, many of which only reopened in recent weeks after the lockdown, cut jobs at the fastest pace on record. On the other hand, the OECD marked the British economy's record quarterly slump as worrisome. Furthermore, news that the EU envoys have dropped the negotiations over Britain and the European Union's post-Brexit relationship (NBSP) as a subject for the next week's meeting also weigh on the quote. Elsewhere, fresh challenges to the US-China relations adds burden onto the market sentiment. The Trump administration prepares to sanction companies helping China to mark its existence in the South China Sea after the Dragon nation fired missiles in the drills around the debatable region. Further, U.S. Secretary of State Michael Pompeo NBSP slammed Beijing for coercive bullying tactics against our friends in the United Kingdom. Amid all these catalysts, the US dollar index DXY snaps the two-day losing streak while taking rounds to 92.90. However, traders are still worried as the second version of the Q2 GDP is likely to keep the economic pessimism on the chart, while the Fed chair could disappoint the markets if conveying the dovish bias. Technical analysis considering the overbought RSI conditions on the 4-hour chart and the pair's multiple failures to stays past 1.3200, the August 6 high of 1.3185 acts as immediate support ahead of Tuesday's peak near 1.3170. Though, the pair's extended weakness past 1.3170 will be challenged by 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement levels around 1.3120 and 1.3090 respectively. Alternatively, buyers will wait for a clear break of the short-term resistance line, currently around 1.3235, before taking entries to target the monthly top near 1.3270. Additional important levels overview today: last price 1.321, today daily change 0.0000, today daily change percent 0.00%, today daily open 1.321, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.3106, daily SMA 50 1.2787, daily SMA 100 1.2607, daily SMA 200 1.2725, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.3219, previous daily low 1.3117, previous weekly high 1.3267, previous weekly low 1.3059, previous monthly high 1.317, previous monthly low 1.236, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.318, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3156, daily pivot point S1 1.3145, daily pivot point S2 1.308, daily pivot point S3 1.3043, daily pivot point R1 1.3247, daily pivot point R2 1.3284, daily pivot point R3 1.3349. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.